ounce and a half a shot.
4-shot.
Yeah, 4-shot.
And that's just simple wadding on top, right?
Right.
Okay.
With the card on top of that. The card just to keep the shot from moving under recoil.
And those are just regular 110s?
Regular number 11 cat.
Okay.
CCIs.
Okay, today is February 19th, Texas Panhandle, 37 degrees. And we're live.
That's where the wad hit. In fact,
it's still in there.
There
Isn't
it is. Hey, that's a pretty beastly gun right there, man. I wonder if it went through at that distance. One thing about it, you better let that pheasant get out there a little bit further.
You ain't gonna have much left of it if you don't.